Humidification and dehumidification is being described by using a psychrometric chart here. So when we are looking at psychrometric chart, there is a specific humidity term. Then this inclined line shows enthalpy, and these are relative humidity terms. And it is to be noted that this phi1 will have a lower relative humidity with respect to phi2. This is how the psychrometric chart is being arranged. Now this axis is dry bulb temperature, and suppose say initially we were at this state 1. So at this state 1, if we want a specific humidity, we will draw this horizontal line. So this one is the specific humidity, and we will draw a perpendicular line to this inclined axis, that is enthalpy axis. We will get enthalpy, and we have the dry bulb temperature. And humidification means we are adding moisture to this particular. So this will be having a relative humidity phi1, and to that we are adding moisture. So we are adding moisture in such a way that the temperature remains constant. So when through the addition of the moisture, temperature remains constant. That means there is no sensible heat addition. And after, say we have added a particular amount of moisture and now state reach 2. So at state 2 we can find enthalpy H2, specific humidity W2, and its relative humidity is phi2. Relative humidity have increased as the amount of moisture in the air have increased. And now, so things to be noted is, first one, temperature is constant. Temperature is constant means the added heat is latent heat. Latent heat means the heat we have supplied is used to change the water to moisture, and there is no any increase in temperature. And now if we can find the enthalpy difference by taking H2 minus H1, so that is the latent heat of enthalpy. And similarly, we know temperature is constant. So at a given temperature, we are able to find from psychrometric chart, from table, we are able to find the HFG. HFG means the amount of heat that have to be added to change water to moisture at a given temperature. So for 1 kilogram of water, we will be able to get the enthalpy or heat to be supplied, that is HFG. Now W2 and W1. W1 means specific humidity. Specific humidity means the amount of moisture in 1 kilogram of air at state 1, and at state 2 we have another specific humidity W2. So W2 minus W1 means the moisture that was added to the air during this process. So it is the amount of moisture added, which is when multiplied with the heat required for 1 kilogram, we will get the latent heat. So W2 minus W1 into HFG, you will get the latent heat, and that is equal to H2 minus H1. So this is how we make use of psychrometric chart for explaining humidification. So in humidification there is no change in temperature. Now dehumidification means the exact process. If we are reversing the process, now what happens is from 2 to 1. The state is changing from 2 to 1 in such a way that there is no change in dry bulb temperature, but relative humidity decreases, whereas there is an decrease in the enthalpy and also decrease in specific humidity. So we are in total we are reducing the moisture content into 1 kilogram of air, and in a similar way we are able to find the enthalpy or the heat that was rejected while dehumidification. So this is about humidification and dehumidification, which is explained by use of psychrometric chart. Thank you.